Working into our slip pivot. Remember, the gentleman step to the back side at the end of 2. 1, 2, he starts to turn, steps back 3. Now we added a little bit of a ronde on the floor to add a little bit more grace to the movement. 1, 2, 3. Step back for 5, 2. Turn your partner, 2, 3. Drive into, this is 3, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3. Twinkle step, 4, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 4, 2, and 3, 5, 2, and 3. Now for the X line. She comes cross body with a prep, swings around. Notice how the arm comes up, and we go down into the lunge, trying to get an X fissure from her legs going out this way, and then the legs crossing in here. Coming back up, 7, 2, 3, inside turn to reverse, 8, 2, 3. That entire sequence should look something like this. Very slowly. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, and 3, 5, 2, and 3, 6, 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 8, 2, 3. With her finishing on the weight on the left foot, the gentleman on the right foot. Working into our arm loops. Stepping back with the inside foot, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, notice how we turn to the inside. Now the gentlemen are going to come through, pick up the left hand, looping the hand over the top, 2, 3, and then he's going to come through and bring her back across, 2, 3. Then we repeat the movement. Let's go ahead and take it from the back side, and I'm going to go ahead and take you right on through it so we don't have a whole lot of time to spend on this. 1, 2, let me step down. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 8, 2, 3. Now, the last little piece was a grapevine, finishing out with an inside turn to closed. We can add a little bit of a turn to that if we want to. Now, the entire sequence put together should look something like this. Very slowly. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, and 3, 5, 2, and 3, 6, 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 8, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 8, 2, 3. And I added the inside turn for Sherry on that last part to get us right back into the close, and we can start the movement again if we care to. Remember, one of the most important things about the waltz is learning the characteristics of the dance. The drive, the rise, the hover, and the compression. Very important that we do these things in the order that they're meant to be done. We talked about how a sewing machine works. You go through, then you make a stitch. And that's a rough analogy of a beautiful waltz movement. But again, we try to drive through, trying not to go down into one, but through one. 1, 2, 3, and at the end of 3, compressing down. Remember, the hardest thing about it is trying to compress into one leg. Take the waltz one step at a time, and you'll find that it's a lot easier to do, and you want to, it's not the easiest dance overall. You will find yourself physically exhausted at the end of the waltz if it's done correctly. We really did enjoy bringing this movement to you.
And the man is going to do a turn on the 1, 2, 3, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and turn around, 2, 3. On the 4, 5, 6, the man will step back in line of direction on his 4 count, which is his right foot, and do a half turn to face the lady, turning under his own left arm. 4, 5, 6. Okay? Now we'll turn back around this way. You know where we are? He's going to continue that turn on the 1, 2, 3 by switching hands behind his back from his left to his right. 4, 5, 6, and notice how he switched back to the left. Then he's going to pull the lady to his right hip. You'll be right hip to right on 4, 5, 6. So trying to work that in real quickly from the top. It looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, we're shortening our steps, and 1, 2, 3, the man goes under, switch hands, 2, 3, pull her up to the hip. Now when we get here, We were really confusing. On the 1 count, the lady is going to do a complete 360 to her right. She'll be stepping out on her right foot, so she's going to turn to the right. The man will be doing a half turn. He's stepping back in the line of direction on the 1, 2, 3, so it's his left foot, turning on the 2, 3. So that turn will look like 1, 2, 3. Now the lady can either keep her arm in or she can do a little bit of styling right here. But you both end up facing down line of dance on the 1, 2, 3. On the 4, 5, 6, and this is the tricky part, ladies, you will be turning to the left on your left foot. You again are making a complete 360. You won't have any problem with this. Men, since you are turning to the left, you must wait until you're on your left foot. So come forward on the 4 on your right foot, turn to the left on the 5, 6. So the man will actually turn 1 beat past the lady. It'll go 4, 5, 6, and you end up back in your original position. So the man has turned half turns, the lady is turning full turns. So that little piece, and we put 2 of them in the workshop, looked like this. It went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so we put 2 of those in the workshop. To get out of it, when we get the lady facing forward on the 1, 2, 3, both of you are facing down line of dance, then men, don't turn this time. What you're going to do is simply put the lady into a wrap. She'll turn to her left, bring her out, 5, 6, and into wrap on your right side. Okay, from here, going back down line of dance, you're going to take her from a wrap on your right side to a wrap on your left side. The lady's responsible for the pattern, men, you're responsible for position, so you're going to have to adjust yourselves a little bit by moving behind her just a touch. So on this part of it, ladies, you'll be turning to the right on your right foot, right, 2, 3, left, 2, 3, right, here comes that wall again, and left, 2, 3. We did 2 of those. Love the walls, by the way. To get her out of this, when she is again on your right side, what you're going to do is just turn her out and back into closed position. Now remember that these turns are pivot turns, ladies, as you're going down the line of dance. Same for the men. We'll try to put it all together for you. Little bitty dance floor. Okay, so it starts off with the basic. 1, 2, 3, 4. The man takes the half turn around, goes under his left arm. 4, 5, 6. Switches hands. 2, 3 to the hip. 5, 6. Then the turns. 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1. Then he turns her into wrap and the weave. 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. Turn her out into close. And there you have it. So that's our move. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, give us a call. This is John.
We're going to go here. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, and 2, 3, 1, and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. If I want to go back to basic, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then I'm back into whatever other waltz pattern that you want to do. Okay. Set promenade on the very first pattern. We're going to go 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to do a check step. 1, 2, 3. We're going to let her step back by pushing. Now we can step the 1. Do the 1, ladies. Draw the foot up. 2 and 3. Okay? Now, we're going to bring you around on the telemark. We're going to bring you forward. 1 and. Remember, you got to be on the other side of that foot. Bring the feet together. 2. Guys go through. 3. Let's go back and try that piece again. I went a little slower for the camera. Okay? And everybody on camera land, you'll have to apologize, I have a cold. I sound like I'm talking through my nose here. All right, so we're bringing her around. 1 and 2, 3. Ready? And 1 and 2, 3. Okay, we're going to do it again. Ready? And 1 and 2, 3. All right, let's back it up. From that movement, we're going to let her step forward on the 1. 1, we're going to turn her over. 2, guys step through. 3. So guys step through with the right foot on 3. On the next 1, 2, 3, we're going to, hands on top, we're going to turn her back. Ready, and 1, 2, 3. Now the guy's hands on the bottom. And we're ready to do sachets. Let's go back and we'll do 1 sachet. Here we go. This is a vine pattern. If you want to put the other hand up, show her to stop, not turn, we can do that. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, and now we're going to turn through. 1, 2, 3. Okay?
Starting basic on the right foot. Ready? And 1. Now do your setup. 4, 5, 6. 4, 5. Serpentine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1. Now the turn. Step. Turn. Turn. Cross. 2, 3. Step. Turn. Turn. Cross. 2, 3. Step. Turn. Turn. Cross. 1 more. Now take her back into basic and turn. 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 1. I think we made it that time. Just remember.
By doing a twinkle. So we're going to dance 1, 2, 3, open the lady up. I'm going to allow her to do a single inside turn while I do a chassé. 2, 2, and 3. We end on the same foot in right shadow. And now we're going to do a curve. 3, 2, 3. We'll do 2 hairpins, moving back on our left for 4 and 2, 3, 5 and 2, 3. On 6, 2, 3, we're going to move back on a diagonal towards the center of the floor, doing a double lock. 6, 2, and 3, and. On 7, 2, 3, the lady is going to turn into me, turning to the left, doing all 3 of her steps and finishing with a twinkle while I do a canter twinkle. And we're going to go 7, 2, 3. And then I'll finish with a parallel move, 8, 2, 3. And then we're off down the floor running. And we'll do this without stopping now, hopefully. Can you get the whole floor? Just if I cut the angle? Okay. So we have 1, 2, 3, 2, 2 and 3, 3, 2, 3, 4 and 2, 3, 5 and 2, 3, 6, 2 and 3 and 7, 2, 3, 8, 2, 3. And we're just
Give you a couple different ideas to get out of if you didn't like the whole pattern. We're just going to go through the pattern right now. Hopefully you'll remember the other ways to get out of it. We start off with a twinkle. Take the lady for 1, 2, 3. We're going to take 4 down the line of dance. I'm going to cut across 5, 6. Brought the lady around 1, 2, 3. Here we stuck in a syncopation. 4, 5, and 6. I'm going to rotate my hand to being on top because now we put a shoulder roll in. We went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we stride back our 1 and we put the syncopation to get us back on the music. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Increasing the lady back in 5, 6. Go back to close. Try that one more time with some motion. We went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 1. That's what we did. It seemed like it worked.